Hello everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to add another server to your broker's platform so you never miss a trade due to connection issues. Let's get started. First, launch your trading platform like MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Ensure you are logged into your account. Then, click on the File menu located at the top left corner of the platform. From the drop-down menu, select Open an Account. Step 3. In the Open an Account window, scroll to the bottom of the list. Look for the option with a plus icon, which allows you to manually add a new server. Enter the server name or IP address provided by your broker. For example, if you're using XM, you might enter XM Global Real22. Press Enter after typing the server details. Once the server name is entered, the platform will scan and display the server you added. If the server appears, you can proceed to log in with your trading credentials. This is a tips when adding a broker's server. And that's how you add another server on a broker's platform. It's simple, quick, and essential for stable trading. If this tutorial was helpful, feel free to share it with fellow traders who might need it too. Thanks for watching.